Welcome back. This time, we are going to simply build the part of the website people see first. Now, the part of the website people see first is usually called the hero section, and it usually contains a main heading, like for example, the one we have here, and a short description, and what we call a call to action. A call to action is just simply the button that you simply see, like this shop now on Apple's website. Now, this is where we would introduce headings and paragraphs in a real project. This is just one website showing what we call a hero section. So this part of this website is called the hero section, as you can see, right? Let me show you another example. This is Microsoft website, and this is Microsoft hero section here. As you can see, inside of it there's a paragraph, heading, and also a call to action. So this call to action is this button here. This is like an heading, and we also have the paragraph. So you can see where we are going, right? Let me show you one more or two websites. This is Nvidia's website. You can see that you should already have understood that we have an heading. Now this heading is the main heading of the website, right? This is the hero section. It's usually H1 paragraph, then a button, okay, a call to action. Now this is also the hero section of Nvidia's website. This is one of the biggest company in the world, Tesla. You can also see this is Tesla's hero section. As you can see here, nothing complex. We just have the main heading, which is like H1. We have the paragraph, and then we also have a call to action here. I hope you get it now. So you can build it anyhow you simply want. Okay, as you can see, this is Adobe's hero section. I hope you understand now. So most websites just simply comes with that hero section that you don't know. So this time you are understanding how to build a real website, and you are understanding the structure right away. Not like we have to learn topics before we start building sites. No. So let us come back to Apple, and let's simply build this simple part of this hero section here. I will take a screenshot so that we can actually have this on our side there, while you just follow me and see how this actually works. I'm going to slide back to my VS Code here, and in my VS Code here, all you just simply need to do, remember to close the sidebar, Ctrl B. Okay, so I'll just kind of make this a little small so that you can see that. Now we are going to continue right below this comment here, okay, so that you can see what we are doing. So right below it, we simply want to learn how to open a hero section. And well, the first thing we have in this hero section is the H1, right? It's as simple as that. So just open H1 in small letter and press enter, and then write that. So college, then put in a comma, and then write sorted. Okay, let's come down beneath H1. What do you think this is? Of course, this is a paragraph, right? Good. So let's simply open a paragraph, tag, enter, and then you can simply write that text. However, I could just copy that real quick. Okay, so make sure you write the text there. So I'm just going to paste that there. So as you keep writing, you would see that your paragraph line just keep writing, okay, that way. And then let's come down. How do we open this? I think so far we've never learned a tag on how to open a button, a call to action, which is a button. So how do we open a button like we have here? Well, what's interesting is it's very easy. All you just need to do is to type button, that is BUTTON, and press enter. So you have simply created the button. Hooray. So then let's write shop inside it. That's all. So what you have simply done was to create this simple part of the hero section we saw earlier. Imagine how easy this is. If you can open with live server again, if you haven't already done that, and then you can go to your browser, and yes, this is just simply what we saw earlier in Apple's website. It's as easy, right? Good. Now I'll give you one assignment for you to try. So can you simply try this now? This particular one. So you may include this or exclude it, but just try this one as your assignment. So this is just simply how to open a hero section in HTML. However, it looks ugly, right? Don't worry, We would simply make it much better next time.